Slab plus stair function introduction, slab plus stair layout. Draw column cap. This command is used to insert a column capital into the drawing. Click the Draw Column Cap function. First set the column capital size parameters. Choose whether to add dimension annotations and numbers. There are 3 placement methods: single point individual placement, placement at grid intersections, or placement at the centroid of columns. To place at grid intersections, the grid must reside on the axis layer. To place at the centroid of columns, the columns must reside on the column layer. Once the parameters are set, click the Column Centroid button. Specify the first corner point and other corner point of column cap insertion area. Column cap placement complete. Room numbering. This command is used to insert room numbers in the drawing. Click the Room Numbering function. Select a point within the slab. Enter the room number. Room numbering completed. Draw room openings. This command is used to create openings in rooms. Click the Draw Room Openings function. Specify the first corner and the second corner of the whole rectangle. Room opening creation completed. Openings in floors. This command is used to place openings in floor slabs. Click the Openings in Floors function. First, select the opening shape. Next, set the opening's dimensional parameters. Different opening shapes correspond to different sets of dimension parameters. If the opening is not centered on the grid, you can adjust its position parameters. Once the parameters are set, click the OK button. Specify the whole location point. Specify the marked location point. Floor slab opening placement completed. Stair plan. This command is used to draw the stair plan. Click the Stair Plan function. Select the stair type. Set the stair dimension parameters. Once the parameters are set, click the OK button. Specify the insertion point. Stair plan layout completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.